Time blocking is a productivity technique where you schedule specific time blocks for different tasks throughout your day. It helps you focus on one task at a time, avoiding multitasking and distractions. By allocating dedicated time slots for activities, you can better manage your workload and priorities. The benefits of time blocking include improved efficiency, time management, and reduced procrastination. It works by breaking down your day into chunks of time dedicated to specific tasks, allowing you to allocate time effectively and stay organized. To effectively implement time blocking, consider tips like setting realistic time limits for tasks, grouping similar activities together, and avoiding overloading your schedule. Creating a detailed schedule using time blocking involves identifying priorities, allocating adequate time for each task, and maintaining flexibility for unexpected changes. It's essential to include breaks and buffer time in your time blocking schedule to prevent burnout and accommodate delays. By strategically planning for downtime and allowing room for adjustments, you can enhance productivity and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Prioritizing tasks with time blocking involves identifying key activities that align with your goals and deadlines. By allocating specific time slots for each task, you ensure that important responsibilities are addressed in a timely manner. Adjusting your time blocking schedule as needed allows for flexibility when unexpected priorities arise or when certain tasks take longer than anticipated. It's crucial to regularly reassess and reprioritize your tasks to optimize productivity and meet your objectives effectively. When time blocking, dealing with distractions is key to maintaining focus. Strategies like setting boundaries, using tools to minimize interruptions, and creating a conducive work environment can help. Staying disciplined involves setting specific goals, establishing routines, and practicing time management techniques consistently. Evaluating the effectiveness of your time blocking requires monitoring progress, analyzing time usage, and making adjustments to optimize productivity. By overcoming challenges such as distractions, maintaining focus, and regularly assessing your time blocking approach, you can enhance your efficiency and performance. Maximizing productivity with time blocking involves assessing how it positively impacts your work output and efficiency. Real-life success stories of individuals showcase the transformative effects of implementing time blocking into daily routines, leading to increased productivity and goal achievement. Tips for maintaining a successful time blocking routine include sticking to schedules, practicing time management skills, and adapting the technique to suit individual preferences and work styles. By consistently leveraging time blocking strategies, individuals can optimize their productivity levels and work towards accomplishing their tasks effectively.